Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, how are you? Yeah, that's me, the big boy. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Show them their table now, make them sit down. I beg everybody to vex now. Some people, they come from full queue. So no vex anybody. About the price of fuel and I think it don't cost. So how much be fuel for your area? 2,000. You dey drive tipper. Try and be 2,000. I be the drink am. Okay, black market. Baba, anyway, is a way. Baba, see price of fuel now. When last you see convoy? As when I plan to come this show now, you go to ask your guys, so boy, they drive because I don't feel like driving. You don't get fuel. No get. Before now we fuel everywhere. Boys go on as they won't come this show. 5 boys go drive their 5 cars. They do convoy. Baba, now no fuel. Everybody they humble. So when I plan come this show, maybe when I plan come by 5. And your car I won't use. You know say these two go bath. Come wait for your parlor from 3 p.m. Come they follow your children and watch cartoon with no plan. And there you go see where smart children they ask you rubbish question. Uncle, are you really my daddy's friend? Because they don't know how you go be their papa friend, you don't get car. Iron sharpening iron. Papa see price of fuel now, bro. Gone are the days where you go on drive, come out, you go first warm your car for 5 minutes. For which fuel? Now once you put key, au revoir. If the engine like me, spoil. Baba, things don't change. See fuel now. Before, you get one time for East, you then catch criminal. Jungle justice, then go put tire, they go burn on fire. Who won't bring the fuel? Now then they advise, you then catch you, then go say, no do am again. No fuel to burn you, my brother. Things hard like, no. For men, for big men to still buy table for this show, man, name is on I truly love Youngchief. I want to clap for myself, I beg. Because, bro, I do my show for this same hall, March 3rd. I know it's in my eye see. Even big men, they go through things now, bro. All these men, when they drive G-Wagon, they wind down. This is not fresh air. No fuel. See, we are lucky boys. They ask Gogo, how far can my Lexus reserve tank take me? Boys, they manage. When I do my show, one of my chairman, I in the first buy table. I reach in house with all confidence. You get man, they tell me, say, no, I just see a NaijaComedy tank. They tell it, man, I'm not around. I know they. Yeah, now, because they're big, normally, you know, when they no get, we know they know. Sorry, poor people know they know. I'm not poor now, come on. Do I look like a poor boy? I mean, come on. I used to be. Yeah, my guys, and did that side. You know, then get money, so then they help poor people normally. So when you know they, say poor man, they ever believe say big man they broke. So when you know they, what they do, they no go tell you to maintain their steez. Then go just avoid you. Once you send BC for show, they no go answer. Once you send BC, they no they reply. Any big man where you send BC, he reply you, non broke. Oh. Now 2 days to the show, then go just say bring the ticket and give it to my secretary. Simple. Big men. No. There are 2 ways to know big man. First of all, you cannot run into a big man wherein they eat. Then go tell you wait for reception or guy is having breakfast. Now so they take no. If they eat for road, no say you never make a move. No be poor man. Any man where you see for fast food, they say no be that pomo. Reza, see my pomo under. You no get eye to see riches, not to see big pomo. Big men. Second way to know big man. This one now, most big men, they no go laugh. Now because you no come with woman, now why I won't face you now? Talk the joke. Second way to know big man, their wife, they know their side chick. If they want travel from Warri now, come this show. Now the woman, they enter bedroom, call the side chick. Hello, Stella. Please, my husband is coming to Lagos. It's only you I trust with my husband. I beg, don't allow any other girl to touch. Because money plenty, only I know if you enjoy and finish. Money day. Mama say that one no follow. Ah, mama dey secure territory. Oga just dey support. Yes, he no follow. Baba, you no follow. Very sure no go spoil something. Ah, you no follow. You no follow. Ah, man, no. Things hard. This is the toughest time ever in history. You know, then at this period, you go enter house, won't eat. You go see say your garri don't finish. Go say make you chop rice don't finish. Or make you leave food, watch TV, DSTV don't expire. And you know say cooking gas get spirit. Any day where you dey cook, you can't dey proud. They say, boy, this gas don't last. You know say that day they finish. No, if them burn you, try say one boy beans. You go strand. No. This is the worst time ever. And make I give men one secret. This is a true life story happened to me. If your guy, for example, this guy and your guy now, on a commode in wife, are you married, sir? You're not married. Baba just shake it. You go far, marriage go far. Oh. Just say that one no consign me. By the way, if you stay for this Lagos, on I see those of us when they drive, on I see how much be fuel. So it affect boats and Uber. From your parlor to your room, 4,500 without AC. So my advice, if your girlfriend small, you won't bring her from mainland to island. No book boat for her. We'll send dispatch rider to bring her. And then go enter that small container. Fast before I leave, see, if you want to collect your guy wife number for any reason, maybe she come meet you, say, oh, I'm into real estate, oh, I do event planning. Sorry, sir, what's your name? Ambrose. If you want save in wife number for your phone, true life story, no put in name, join her. Because you go chat in wife one day, you no go know. My guy collecting in guy wife number. Now I write am Stanley wife. One day now you see guy babe. Now you just type Stanley for WhatsApp. Stanley come, I no say, nah, Stanley wife in the chat. Now, so I just see that your babe. Good night.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.
Youngchief, freedom of expression.